Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade ranch dressing. Forget those store-bought bottles. Crafting your own is incredibly simple and tastes so much better. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you get a creamy, flavorful dressing every time. It's perfect for salads, dipping vegetables, or even as a sandwich spread. Get ready to elevate your meals with this easy, fresh recipe. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need a good quality mayonnaise, some fresh buttermilk, and a dollop of sour cream for that perfect creamy texture. For the herbs, fresh is always best. Think finely chopped dill, chives, and parsley. Don't forget your essential seasonings: a dash of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. These form the heart of your delicious ranch. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy recipes. And on another note, once you've made your amazing ranch, you'll want to store it properly. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your dressing fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you have all your ingredients, simply whisk them together in a medium bowl until everything is smooth and well combined. Now comes the fun part: taste testing. Adjust the seasonings to your liking, perhaps a little more salt or a touch more dill. For the best flavor, cover your dressing and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period truly allows all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.